Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's O'Neal from Tapped In with O'Neal. It's another week, another $1,000 that we're gonna be depositing into our Robinhood account, and let's see what happens. Yo, it's been a crazy weekend. If you guys don't know, the U.S. has struck Iran nuclear facilities, three specifically, and it's getting crazy. We got a lot of things that are going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen, but yo, let's adjust. Let's adjust and anticipate what's going to happen. I am definitely anticipating a sell off in the market. Because I did do see some indicators from Bitcoin selling off and hitting some lows that it hasn't hit within a month. So yeah, it's a lot of things to look forward, but yo, gonna be a decent and good buying opportunity either this week or the next coming weeks. We don't know how long this is gonna be a slump for, but guys, make sure you have some cash on hand. Make sure you guys are investing and don't stop investing. Don't get scared. Don't get threatened by this and that is gonna happen. Just stick to the plan, stick to the course, and we go move. So we're gonna switch over to the desktop version of the app, do our weekly $1,000 deposit, and then switch over to the mobile version of the app, and then go from there. So yeah, let's go move. All right, so as you guys can see, the portfolio is sitting at $41,535.48. We are down $211.26, down about 0.5% today. On the week, let's see, we're down $1,660 on a week, man. Yo, and this is all due to what's been happening the past couple of days with this Iran and Russia. I'm not Iran and the United States and Israel. Like, so yeah, crypto's been moving. So the market didn't react too much on Friday, and I think Thursday, if I'm not mistaken, the markets were closed. So yeah, we haven't really seen the full effects of what's going to happen, what's going to come, but let's prepare. So yeah, our buying power is at 730.43 cents. Our margin total is 25,059 cents. Oh well, 25,059.80 cents. We're using about 5,100 in collateral. Our futures money is at 365. Our margin status is low risk with 2,650.06 margin buffer. So that is most likely going to change. As I mentioned in the previous video, I'm going to try and close out these puts that I have, because if I don't, these will most likely change my low risk to getting margin call. So yeah, uh, man. So let's go ahead and do our deposit. Get that out of the way. Let's see. Okay, let me get that out. Sorry, I had $1,000 weekly deposit just once. Transfer. Continue with standard. Oh man. All right. Deposit initiated. Let's see what the account is sitting at now. We are now at $42,523.76. Our buying power went up to 2,730.43 cents. As you guys know, every time I invest $1,000 into this account, Robinhood allows me to borrow $2,000 of their money. So yeah, that's how that works. Our margin used decreased. So this is gonna help. Definitely, as soon as we get rid of our TSLL shares, this is definitely gonna help a lot. And our futures went up $1,000, and options collateral is the same. So let's go ahead and switch over to the app, and then we'll go from there. All right. So as I mentioned, the account is sitting at 42,000. Well, our individual investing is sitting at 42,537.91 cents. And yeah, our buying power, our margin use went down $1,000. So yeah, as I mentioned, as soon as we get rid of these TSLL shares, we have about 1,100. That's gonna be, if we get rid of it at above the average cost of $14.19, we are definitely going to be probably gaining about 2,000, have a 2,000 or $1,000 gain from it. And so it's gonna be about, I'm looking at probably $15,000-$16,000, and then we have about $2,000 left to clear up in margin, as we are using about $18,000. But this week is going to be presenting a nice, decent buying opportunity, so I might use some margin to purchase some more shares at a discounted price. As I mentioned, the market had not reacted to what's going on, because what happened over the weekend is obviously when the markets closed, but Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all the other cryptocurrencies are showing the effects of what is going to come. So these are giving the early signs that we are going to have a market sell-off coming this week. Let's see what purchases I made. I did, let me see, did I make any more purchases? I don't think I bought into too many things this week. I don't think I did. Let's see. We're up $160 on Coney, so that's looking pretty good. We're expecting a nice dividend payout from them in about a week or two. And so, yeah, that's what Coney is looking like. So all the money that we collect from Coney is going to be money on the house. But as I said, the market is closed, so it'll probably drop down significantly from there. Yeah, this is pretty much what the regular account is sitting at. Our traditional, we have a $14.5 call, $88 of buying power. I'm going to be using that to be purchasing some more shares, maybe of TechL, and when the market opens up. But we'll see how it goes. And let's look at the Roth IRA. As I mentioned, we are going to hit that sorry about that. My camera had died, but yeah, as I was saying with the Roth, we did cross over to that $2,000 mark. So we're at $2,067.05 right now. Buying power is at $2.20. I haven't yet gotten around to restructuring the Roth, as I mentioned in last week's video. But I'm probably gonna hold off on that, with the anticipation from a sell-off this week. So I'll see what it's looking like. So guys, stay tuned for that restructuring Roth IRA video. So yeah, let's go ahead and go to the overall account, see what the overall account is looking like. All right, we are at $48,582.98. We did briefly cross over that $50,000 mark this week, but as I said, with everything going on in between Iran and Israel and the United States, we probably won't hit that for a little bit. So yeah, but this is going to present a decent buying opportunity for people like myself and you guys. So don't look at this as a bad thing. So when we do recover, we're going to recover a 10 times better, similar to how we did. We gained over $14,000 in a week. Probably about a month ago, we gained over $14,000. So yeah, the recovery gains are going to be real and beautiful. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Let's see. Do we have any? Let's see if we had any dividend payouts for this week. We got paid 48 cents from PL2W. As I said, this was an experimental position. So that's what that's looking like. And then we got paid a $5.58 from PSEC Capital, Prospect Capital. This is one of those positions that I do intend on selling off. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. I might put some more trades in on the future, some more option plays, but I definitely want to make sure I close out these option positions, because I don't know how much the market plans on falling. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I got to cover on this. So yeah, without further ado, Go ahead and like this video if you felt like this was useful or helpful in any way. Go ahead and turn on your post bell notifications, subscribe, join up on a Discord. It's free to join if you guys want to talk to like-minded individuals like myself and others. If you guys want to get in contact with me personally, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram. Link to that is going to be in the description below. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. I have been posting more videos to TikTok. So yeah, without further ado, it's Tapped In with ONL. I'm signing out.